I can speak tutti frutti Kashmiri. If my Kashmiri fellows will watch it, they'll बारिश हुआ असल पेट हुआ
Yeah.
क्या हुआ तो एक बात असल पेट yeah like my Bollywood crush John Abraham was my childhood crush
There are a lot of young actors.
no please yeah नहीं ऐसा नहीं किया मैंने काटा नहीं sorry नहीं
Sadia Khatib is saying yeah to a lot of young actors of Bollywood she
No.
finds unattractive too.
No.
So how do you manage the bad reviews for you if there are some?
You're topper in your media, bring out the table, your laptop, and search even one bad review about me from Shikara or from Raksha Bandhan. One.
I love talking about music for whatever
Please
reason.
talk.
है ना?
बप्पी लहरी का कौन सा गाना? बहुत सारे सुने हैं मैंने.
Oh la la.
तू है मेरी fantasy. Hi, I'm Sadia Khatib and you're watching me on Film Mood.
Sadia is with me again, another episode with full of confidence. The girl next door who has bright future with bright eyes and bright mascara, of course. Welcoming you to Sadia, to Filmy Beat, of course. Too much, of course.
Thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm very well, yeah. How are you?
Very diplomatic.
नहीं यार. Am I? The season is of diplomats,
है ना?
so we must be.
Are you excited? Join Ibrahim, Diplomat, March, summers
Few
have
days.
arrived, few days to go and then you'll be all over again.
I'm not. I'm overwhelmed. I'm at this point where I just want everything to go right. I'm at the edge of my seat. I'm neither nervous. I'm not excited. I'm just. You know how you are when you give your board exams,
Yes.
right after your 12th board exams or before an exam. I'm just waiting for that. I'm just going through that phase. You know how it is.
Because the podcast name is Talking Stage, so of course, do you remember your talking stages, where whenever we get a film, it's always a talking stage for a long time and then we decide, okay, finally, are we doing it or not?
Yeah.
So how is it? It's a lengthy process?
The talking stage, like the.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's actually a lengthy process, but it depends from film to film. Like a first film, when we signed the film, it took us almost 6 months to start and go on floors. Yeah, like from July to March. Some months are drag. But for Raksha Bandhan, for Shikara, yeah. But then some film like Raksha Bandhan signed 1 month and the next month we on floor. It totally depends. But nothing to do with. Yeah.
How was Diplomat? Kitna lamba?
On floors, like yeah.
Huh?
Yes, August ending October I signed, in November we were on floors.
Huh.
Yeah, it was not dragged. Right after Raksha Bandhan I remember, yeah, signing that film in August ending or something, October, November we were on floors.
People have been praising you, Sadia, for the simplicity that you have, you're very real and raw. Of course, you're a Jammu Kudi. We can't deny that. Do you speak the local language?
I can speak Kashmiri.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
How do you say hello and namaste? What is the way?
See, tutti frutti. So, I can speak tutti frutti Kashmiri. If my Kashmiri fellows will watch it,
Kill you.
they'll bash your comment box. But in my head, I'm very confident while saying. So, what do you want to hear in Kashmiri? Like, बारिश हुआ असल पेट हुआ
Yeah.
क्या हुआ तो एक बात असल पेट yeah like थोड़ा
Ooh.
not very
And then all the Jammu and Kashmiri food also,
like no what yeah
Huh? You cook some
I
of the-
cook I can cook
What all Kashmiri things?
like Kashmiri chicken I can make rista if you will give me the you know what ristas are
No, please
so
tell me.
ristas are like meatballs it's amazing it's yummy in fact Kashmiri cuisine it's a part of Fazwan so if you give me the dry ones I can make the curry at home
Okay.
I can do that yeah I love cooking.
When was the last time you were in Kashmir or Jammu? It's been long, no?
No, 1.5 months back. I went to get my cats back too. I have 5 cats, alhamdulillah. So 2 of them were in Jammu. My father got posted back to Srinagar. So my mom was in Jammu. So I had to go get my mom, my cats, वापस to Bombay. Now they're all together.
How difficult it was for you to travel from, Jammu, Kashmir to Mumbai and make your own ways? Of course, I know it's all difficult.
Like the beginning, you're
Yeah.
asking me. It's a story which I've narrated some 1 million times. So I can
Give me a quick
I can give you. It wasn't difficult. It was a destiny. It was complete destiny.
Ah.
I didn't choose it. It chose me. I was doing my electrical
Yeah,
engineering.
yeah, you got a call from
Yeah,
Mukesh
but
Chabra and then you
then-
rejected it.
Yeah, that was first. Yeah, and then the other year they called me for Shikara, and then it happened. So it was quite fast.
Didn't you ask them how they found you?
I did ask them, but again, so the associate was sitting with someone who was Kashmiri. They were rolling through Instagram. They were in a group, and they were, so who's this girl like that? And that she picked the name, and then the other day she searched all Facebook, and then she texted me on Facebook. So random. Like, and these guys are not even friends. It's like we are all together here. You're just randomly using Instagram, and then like, who's this person? Just because I'm a casting director, I take your name and then I search. This is what the story I know. And then she searches me on Facebook. And this person happens to be not even my friend, not even someone my sister's friend.
Ooh.
Destiny.
But how different is your character from all the characters that you've been playing?
Absolutely different.
है ना? Here तो you looking very क्रांतिकारी लड़की.
Courageous.
है ना?
Yeah. A fighter. A courageous woman with substance. Yeah.
Because you're not in real life. I
I am absolutely not like any of the characters, these three characters I played. Okay, I'm absolutely completely different. These guys who have been around me might tell you.
you're very silent, calm ऐसा.
I'm silent and calm.
She's not?
Let's stick to this only. I like it. I like how you said, yeah, I am very
Tell
silent.
me the craziest thing that you did recently.
You can't handle that.
Please
You
tell
think
me.
you're crazy.
I am. I thought. agree.
I come across to you as a silent.
Yeah.
I really want this image to be out there. I'm
But
happy.
please tell me now, what was the craziest thing you did?
You can't imagine what all I do. In generally. I'm not crazy. I'm gonna stick by this image that you've given me. I'm liking it.
What
I
is
want
this?
to be
Please
known
tell
as
me, no.
I want to be known as this person who's this calm and introvert.
Are you the one जो लोगों की घर की घंटी बजा के भाग जाती है and all of that? Not
रॉकस्टार
that.
का वो मोमेंट देखा है इसमें गोलगप्पे खा के जिनको लड़कियों को लगता है कि हाँ मैं वो नहीं घंटी बजाना ये बचपन में किया होगा
But what do you do now?
What do I know? I'm just myself. What do I do now? What crazy I do now?
Tell now, एक तो बता.
एक क्या? Like what do you want to know?
What was the
My
craziest? thing?
general life, day-to-day life is very crazy. What is that?
Tell me your daily routine, chalo. What time you wake up and how your day looks like?
Nowadays?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a different. It's not. There's nothing crazy in it. So I would wake up nowadays. I would wake up around 8:30, 9ish. Then I will not eat or drink anything till 12. Then I'm scrolling through Instagram. Then I'm going with my cats and just playing with them. Yeah, and then planning this interview these days. This promotions and stuff is happening. Plan meetings and okay. Lately it has been very hectic. Like I can tell you my yesterday how it went. So I woke up, I went for a screen test, then I went for a film which I was going to do a reading. 3:30 I got done from there. Then 4:30 I went for this screen test. Then it lasted for 5:30, 6:30 I had one interview with on Zoom call. Then 7:30 was there another interview. 8:30 dance rehearsal was there because somebody had to come and we had to perform something. Lasted till 9:30, 10:30, ate my dinner and slept. So boring. Nothing crazy. Yeah,
But still, no, very much to do in a day because it's difficult.
these days are. That's why I look also.
But you love talking to media, I hope.
I love talking to media. I love every part of this. I love every part of this business.
After Raksha Bandhan, it is another film where the industry have changed a lot, and with the passage of time, of course, it does have their own ways out. And I guess lockdown के बाद it was your first film, ना? तो a lot of changes now, है ना?
Has it?
As in, the work has changed now. People are moving on to OTTs more. तो OTT का ट्रेंड पिछले 1 साल 1.5 साल में जितना है वो पहले नहीं था. So are you also like up for OTT work and all of that?
Yeah.
Or you are like waiting कि maybe let me do theaters more for now.
Honestly, I want to do theaters more.
है ना?
Theaters and big screen have always been my dream. Like as growing up, I didn't know what it will be tomorrow, but I've always aimed for like big screen and theaters and movies like that. But since OTT is doing so amazing, so great, if something amazing where like it's too good for me comes my way, I won't give it another thought.
And
But-
how are you deciding your roles? Like, what is your way of saying yes to?
Yeah, honestly, your first 3 films are not what you choose. It's something that comes to you. It's your destiny that brings them to you. Mine is not any. Mine has not been like I would sit down and choose and write. My journey has been more towards auditions. I cracked my first, second, third audition, and that's how I get my part. So it's only destiny. It's only the way I've. It's only God helping me right now, yeah, to grab these roles which are going so far, hopefully good for me, working out for me. But I am sitting and thinking, I am very conscious about what I want to play because I really want to go diverse. I really want to be as versatile as possible. So I myself target auditions also in
Yeah.
such a way that there should be some meat. I'm a meat lover. So I just want to eat the whole of it.
Okay, I have a rapid fire round for you.
Okay.
And I really want very spicy answers because you're crazy. You just mentioned.
I am not, yeah. I'm gonna stick by your. You know, I love it. The moment you said I'm very simple and introvert, suddenly something inside me just gave me a tap.
Oh, what? You kill people or what? No, nah.
No, nah. But this fact, nobody tells me this. Nobody thinks of me like that. So somebody for the first time has come to me.
What they think of you?
They think I'm an extrovert. I'm a very loud person. But I'm very happy if you think like this because I like that part. I try to be like that part.
ठीक है. First thing you do when you wake up?
Clean my cat's litter. They pooped a lot in the morning, so I just go and clean, or maybe ask someone to clean. But mostly, yeah.
What is the thing that you notice in a guy the very first?
Height.
Biceps and all?
So shallow.
Materialistic.
Shallow. Not materialistic, shallow.
ठीक है.
Materialistic if I would have been seeing his material.
That is also materialistic. No, what
Yeah,
if
yeah, I
he
am.
loses out on the body and all?
It's also the way he.
What are your red flags?
My red flags? My red. Dude, I've been single for the longest of time. now.
Why? Why are you single?
I have been single for as long as now I remember. I don't even remember all the red, green flag, guy, why, nothing. I'm at the stage of life where I'm like, okay, my only criteria is I get attracted. I want to get attracted. I want to have a crush. I don't remember the last time I've had a crush on a guy. I am not even kidding. I don't even remember the last time I went on a date.
Hi.
So it's that dead and done. What is red flag? What is green? I know nothing. Where like I'm a lover from old school. I want to fall in love, see a guy. You know, all that red, green, everything is seen later. I want to feel something here first.
Why it is not feeling? Please tell me.
Because
What
it's
is
not
happening?
easy. I can't fall in love like this. As a kid also, I would never get a crush like this.
So you never dated anyone?
Of course, I've dated people, but the fact is I am not somebody who can easily get attracted.
What was the reason of your breakup?
The last breakup?
10 years ago, which happened?
More maybe, but no. The last reason was breakup was...
Come on.
I'm thinking now it's been so long, you're making me think about my ex, which I have not even thought. It's been such a long
I
time.
had to think about my ex daily. Kal raat hi
No.
baith ke I was reading my mails and I'm like, what shit I've been doing?
Yeah, you think like that. Now I get ick, like I get sudden, ew, why did I? No, I don't think about my ex. I swear, I don't think about anything. But what was the reason? It was probably compatibility, I guess.
Define compatibility.
In the most simplest, truest form, I think compatibility is the essence of knowing what the other person wants. At what point. Yeah.
ठीक है.
I'm sorry, I'm very boring.
No. It's good only.
Dance is boring.
Name 3
That's so
things
similar.
which are yellow.
My outfit,
Today, okay, one.
sun.
Okay.
Anybody's teeth? No. No.
Very bad.
Sorry.
Now I see you're not a
I
calm
couldn't-
and peaceful
I
girl.
couldn't think of anything yellow.
Name 3 films which with alphabet K.
कभी खुशी कभी गम,
1,
कहो ना प्यार है,
2.
kites.
Have you seen Kites?
No.
Very bad. 3 things you would change in Bollywood.
Change in?
Bollywood.
3 things I want to change in Bollywood is taking talent more seriously. Not running after the trend. I mean, guys, come on, please have some. Like everybody's running after trends. Everybody wants what's like this trend word is something that authenticity is somewhere. Like I miss the old Bollywood somewhere. We all had different kind of faces, uniqueness, authenticity. That thing I'd like to bring back, not change. Baki, yaar, Bollywood is such a nice space. It's a beautiful space to be. We all love Bollywood, right?
फिल्म आ रही है ना क्योंकि
नहीं
लाज लज्जा भी रखनी है कि नहीं बॉलीवुड की भाई.
I love Bollywood.
Already-
Why am I here? What am I doing? Why did I leave my Jammu Kashmir and I've come here? Because I love it. I love this place. It has only given me
Yes, your Bollywood crush.
my Bollywood crush. Now no one.
Now no one का क्या मतलब? पहले कौन था? कौन मत चला?
John Abraham was my childhood crush.
Aye, hi. Tell me the scenes that you were doing with him and no khayalats of, no imagination.
No. Because back then I was a kid. I was a child. Now I'm grown up.
So you're saying that your choice was bad when you
No,
were
no,
a
no.
Haan.
That's not. As a kid, when I watched Dhoom, Kabir was my childhood crush. Then
Hey,
no
John
one.
has been like
Exactly. He was like, I was in 4th standard and I was going around. Okay, this is a story, okay? I was in my school. I was in 4th standard. This Dhoom had come. I was going around telling my friends that I have a boyfriend. And his name is Kabir and he does bikes and he has all these bikes and he has long hair. And people, my friends would be like, so what's a mystery I used to create? And they would really believe it. And I believed it in my head for the longest of time. That
Did you
Kabir
tell
is
this to John?
No, I don't want to. I don't want to embarrass myself to that extent.
You know, it will come out and then he'll get to know about it.
But it will come out after the release, no? Then I will not see him maybe. I don't know. I'm never telling him. And the unfortunate thing is I've said this too in my previous interviews before Shikara and after Raksha Bandhan. That time I had not even signed the film with him. I was going out and I'm so embarrassed. Yesterday only someone showed me that clip and I was embarrassed. Like I hope they never
Somebody recorded you also that the
Kya?
clip of you saying.
as-
Acha, it was an interview. na?
interview, yeah. But this is me as a kid. Now I've grown up and I only could see the character that he was playing with me on screen. Now I don't have any. Wait, let me think. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? Current Bollywood crush? No one.
There are a lot of young actors.
No, please, yeah. नहीं ऐसा नहीं किया मैंने काटा. नहीं. Sorry. नहीं.
Sadia Khatib is saying to a lot of young actors of Bollywood she
No.
finds unattractive too.
No, not my type. That's what I mean. What are you doing? क्या हुआ है?
She would want John Abraham to be boyfriend for life when she was 4th.
What is this? Can we undo this moment?
We cannot.
No. Now I don't have
आप
it.
पीले हाथों में पकड़ी जा चुकी हैं.
नहीं
रंगे हाथों में नहीं ना.
नहीं यार मेरा अब कोई नहीं. मैं बोल तो रही हूँ अगर अभी मुझे किसी पे क्रश होता तो I would have dated him. But मुझे हो रहा ही नहीं है.
There are a
crush.
lot of actors. Abhay Verma is there. Ishan Khattar is there. What? No reaction?
Reaction.
चलो पुराना कोई if you
बस
had a
जॉन
chance.
बचपन में मुझे सिर्फ एक मैं बोल why am I single? I told you it's hard for me to get crushes. So मैं अगर example दे रही हूँ that since my childhood till I was an adult 18 तक till I had my first boyfriend मुझे एक ही इंसान पे क्रश था and that was John. और जब मैं इस बंदे को डेट कर रही थी जिसको भी कर रही थी उसके बाद मुझे कोई और नहीं दिखता तो मुझे इजीली क्रश नहीं होता. मैं इजीली सबसे अट्रैक्टेड नहीं होती. मुझे बहुत क्वालिटी चाहिए.
How long you dated that guy?
2 years.
बस
हाँ तो that's
बस
पापा देखेंगे.
2 साल. Where? जम्मू only और मुंबई में?
Nobody I dated. Okay, now my father is gonna watch this. I have no answer to this. My mom is gonna watch this. Stop embarrassing
No, I'm
me.
just really very keen to know. Very
So
curious.
what is the point? Is that whenever I'll find someone, the moment I'll get attracted to someone, I'll
Look
get
at me,
married
she's
to
making
that.
it subtle now.
I'll-
You know what the point is? I tell you.
I'll get
Yeah.
no, yaar. I'll get married to that person right there and then. But the only criteria is right now.
ठीक है. Who's your woman crush like Bollywood में?
Woman crush.
Yeah, man crush always people talk about. Nobody's talking about this.
Yeah, I'm thinking about my woman crush. Natalie Portman I like. Then I see.
Juhi Chawla is there, Aishwarya is there.
Deepika I find
Deepika.
very beautiful. There is this woman मैं कुछ एक औरत थी कौन थी जिसको देख के मैं बोल रही थी कि मुझे बहुत पसंद है यार ये लड़की. Deepika ही maybe. Deepika I stalk her. Deepika I love. She's beautiful. Yeah, long legs. Yeah, Deepika.
Long legs.
Deepika.
What is
Again,
tempting
shallow.
her is long legs.
Long legs, big biceps. Yeah. Are you judging me?
You
or
never
what?
been rejected in love, no?
No.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I don't give that liberty to people.
I'm
It's
not
me
gonna
who
give-
rejects people.
No, ऐसा नहीं.
Have you ever gone to a worst ghatiya date ever? Like where you went, you know, to know the person and it was bullshit.
What am I telling you here? I'm an old school boy. You think I must have gone? I have simple dinner date, lunch date. I've not even gone there. No, just the person I dated and I was with was in a relationship. I might have gone out with him.
And
so
how
many
did you say
times.
yes to him? Because it's difficult.
I fell in love. I fell
Oh.
in love and I said yes. That's it. But I have
Initially, but he initiated. No, you
never,
didn't.
of course. No, but I've never. I don't remember any time lately I've gone out on a date. Yeah, I'm not gone out on a date. I swear I'm not kidding. I swear. Ask my brother, friends, people, anyone.
क्या है सादिया खतीब के अकेले
I will go out on a date if I get even slightly attracted to someone.
Ask John, no.
Yeah.
कि सर लंच कर लीजिए हमारे साथ.
नहीं यार वो नहीं वो मुझसे वो मेरे अब मैं उनकी बहुत इज्जत करती हूँ मतलब
आप क्या पहले भी करती थी ना?
पहले भी करती थी मतलब वो नहीं क्या हो गया यार सर देखेंगे मत embarrass करो यार.
ठीक है. But again, it's working. You know, with John is always a pleasure, and people have been praising his discipline and the kind of work he's been doing. So, like, how was it? Did you learn something new? Of course, I always say that with the passage of work, you learn a lot of new things.
Yeah.
From actor to actor, or to director to director, project to project.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I learned. That's what I'm telling you, yaar. Even being so obsessed with him as as a kid, when I started working with him, I forgot all my obsession because then later on, it was all his character that I could see. I'd never meet. I'd have not met John Abraham. I've only seen JP. He's so true to his character. He's so authentic with his performance. He's so authentic to his discipline that you can't see him beyond his work. He's that good. That's what I learned, and that's what I want to really embody. Like I also want to be that person who, like when you see this person on screen, you can't figure out if this person how is this person in real life.
Do you agree you're a very underrated actress?
I'm an underrated actress. Am I?
Because you are a good actress, no doubt about it. But you're not talked much about it. You know, there are some of the actors जिनका एक ही project होता है and they are like, they're everywhere.
Yeah, honey, but being everywhere means PR. Being everywhere means paying a lot of portals and then being talked about. In our industry, even if I want you to talk about me, I'll pay you some amount and then you'll continuously talk about me. Yeah, that was not my case. I did not pay anyone in past 2 years or 3 years, whatever, to talk about me. You know how this thing works. There are more talented people than me roaming around in Aramnagar and have done some fabulous work also. But they must have not paid to certain people to talk about them. It's very important in today's time to be seen everywhere. You know, you can be a great actor, but you can't become a great star unless and until you have a great PR. So, you know, I also...
But you'll still choose to be a great actor rather than a great
I want
star.
to be a great star also. I want to be a great... I want both.
But
it has to
naturally and
click for
organically,
me.
yeah.
Naturally and organically, even if today I'm given an opportunity that all like 6 pages will post for me and I will be seen everywhere, I'll choose that. Why not? I will choose that. Right now, if I'm going out and being papped, I'm calling them so that I can be seen. It's the way you do it.
Yes.
It's the way you want to go about it. I did not do it for the longest of time because I did not believe in it. And also I was always waiting for my work to speak for me than for me to go out and speak for myself. And right now, because this is the opportunity where my film is out, so I am speaking, I am here, sitting here. But if 2 months back my film was not coming out, I would have not come here and spoken about it. Because that feels shallow to me. So it's not anybody talking about you or it's a strategy that so many people get together and put. I am a little weak in that. Maybe. I really want people to, like how it went with Irfan sir.
Yeah.
Or Pankaj Tripathi or Nawazuddin Siddiqui. It took them so many years. Why? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's not, they were not talented when they were 20-year-old. They were talented right from the beginning. They've given some immense amount of work. But the respect and the due they got maybe after a certain point. And like some producer, someone I met lately was telling me about this X and X actress. You know, she was everywhere and now she's gone, and then it named another everywhere and now she's gone. Well, sir, you're from the industry, do you not understand? It's not them being everywhere. how much will you pay and how long will you pay?
Yeah.
Kitna will you pay to be seen and for how long will you keep doing that? That doesn't mean that the person has disappeared.
Yeah.
So visibility can appear and disappear, but the talent always stays.
Hmm.
So even if you come after, like, come when your movie is talking, I mean, it's different for different people. It's different strategy for different people. But you and all, we all know how it works.
Hmm. And how did you get your time to do, you know, Ramzan is around the corner. So how you will manage all of that because film bhi saath saath aa rahi hai. You do.
I will. I will not miss my fast, inshallah.
Hmm.
That's the goal for sure. But I will. I feel, in fact, this is such an opportunity for me that I will be praying also, and I'll ask what I want to ask my Lord, and I'll simultaneously have this test going on. I think initially I was a little scared, and I was calling people, oh shit, Ramzan ke time pe, how am I going to release this film? What will happen and all? But then suddenly a thought came to my head, isn't this the best time? This holy, blessed month is there, and I can pray because I'm a believer. I can pray, I can ask, and simultaneously this huge test, which is definitely not in my control, whether you go in theatre and watch. And I can ask and pray and do my bit. And then let's see simultaneously how it goes.
What is your playlist?
My playlist,
How it looks like? How?
very poppy, like Sabrina Carpenter,
Huh?
Miley Cyrus, Michael Jackson, they are my playlist.
No Bollywood?
Chikni Chameli, Sheila Ki Jawani, Munni Badnaam. That's my playlist.
मेरा नाम मैरी है.
नहीं है.
मटरू की बिजली का मंडोला. बिल्लू रानी.
हाँ, बिल्लू रानी.
ये है बिल्लू रानी. टिंकू जिया. फेविकॉल से. You don't have फेविकॉल से.
The patrol thing is not.
Patrol.
No.
Have you heard that song? $1
$1 चढ़ाऊंगी बदले में. Of course, yeah. Have you seen Aga Bhai?
Of course.
One of my most favorite songs is Mehak Bhi.
Huh?
Yeah.
I have not heard that.
When I went first on my date, I played this song Mehak Bhi. Kahan? Because my ex used to smell really good. Fuck, Mama Baba will see. Can we cut that?
No, we can't.
महक भी कहानी सुनाती है.
You were a kid?
Yeah,
You were in school?
just came out. 18 years old.
मतलब you were in first year of college while dating him.
No, I was going to join college.
What degree do you have?
Electrical engineering I studied but did not get the degree. I left because I came and chose Shikara. He's so judgmental, like, you know, with every answer he's like, giving me
course.
this intimidating vibe.
Somebody who has left electrical engineering ke degree.
So that I can be here.
That is all okay, but degree is also important, no?
No, yeah, for me it wasn't. I was not enjoying studying.
How come your parents were very okay?
They were not okay, na? They saw me failing for first year. So Naila Majnu came. Like,
You failed also.
Yeah, man. Dude, I'm a topper in entire JNK.
You failed.
After college, but to get school, like, I was and even for my engineering, dude, I was. Now I'm bragging myself because you just gave me that failed look. Dude, please show him that newspaper cutting. Newspaper cutting. I was a topper at my school, and then in my state level also. GCET is the only government college in JNK, entire JNK. I got selected in that college, and my rank was 220 among the lakh of children. So you better not tell me.
I've been topper throughout my life, I tell you. Even in media also.
Yeah.
कोई बताया ही नहीं.
Wait for me to top my my game.
But you know, you read reviews of your films.
Yeah.
You
of
believe
course.
in them.
Yeah.
So how do you manage the bad reviews for you, if there are some?
You're topper in your media. Bring out the table, your laptop, and search even one bad review about me from Shikara or from Raksha Bandhan. One. One bad review.
Full bank.
You bring on one bad review.
You
I am
never
just trying to be
been-
Uncle Allah. Please, diplomat में भी अच्छे reviews दे देना, मेरी इज्जत रख लेना.
But
how
you never got backlash yet.
You get मतलब क्या होता है भाई, आगे भी नहीं आएगा इंशाल्लाह. You
मतलब
take
कि
out
एक भी bad नहीं हो गया सादिया.
एक लिंक निकाल के दिखा दो मुझे. आप मुझसे बोल रहे हो कि how do I handle my bad reviews? There's search honey.
There's no one single
At
bad
least not
review.
I've read, yeah.
Touch wood.
Has there ever been any bad review about me for my Raksha Bandhan or for Shikara? Single?
Very well.
नहीं bad singing नहीं, bad review. He's asking me how do you handle the bad reviews?
If there are some, I said.
If
I
there
said.
है ही नहीं. Alhamdulillah, thankfully, touch wood.
This is the answer.
Hopefully not for my next role. Don't post this till this release nazar lag jayegi and then I'll get bad reviews.
She
for
got 3
Diplomat.
people, you know, to help her to find all the good reviews. I'm joking.
You search, no?
But I'm glad if it is not there because it's a thing.
Yeah, I know.
Unlike other, a lot of actors, you know, पहले ही फिल्म में बैंड बज जाती है.
नहीं, आपने देखी पहली फिल्म?
हाँ हाँ.
आपको लगा उसमें बैड
नहीं. I'm asking, no, of course.
शुक्र है.
There are people who don't like my interviews. There are people who just love my
नहीं,
interviews.
thankfully नहीं.
It's
My
like-
films work, don't work. I will make sure that I don't do that. I will give my best. That has always
What
been
kind
my
of
goal.
projects you have now after Diplomat?
I'm targeting comedy. I'm targeting love story.
Love story, yeah.
Fun is my core.
What kind of love story?
The one that I can't live currently. The one that I aspire to have in real life.
Previous Bollywood love story that you are a fan of?
On screen?
Yeah. Jab We Met is of course evergreen.
नहीं यार जब भी मैं
So
ठीक है
overrated.
मैं सोचूं
Hmm.
है ना टाइम से आपके पास सोचने दो He's very me. My very कौन सी लव स्टोरी देखती हूँ मैं जो मुझे अच्छी लगती है फिल्म में कोई तो होगी
बताओ. रियल जिंदगी
यार
में
मैं तो
love.
भूल गया you too charming that you just made me forget my lines. Imagine you're such a charming, intimidating
Are
personality.
you saying it for the sake of saying it or you really mean it?
Well, that you decide. No, yaar, I'm just genuinely not mean it. I mean it. I got my film.
Tell me.
यार नहीं याद आ रही. Eternal Sunshine of a Spotless Mind maybe.
Nothing Bollywood.
I'm going to Bollywood. Bollywood has been my favorite genre.
Rockstar है.
Please name, I will tell you.
You know Bollywood में
मुझे याद ही नहीं आ रहा मैं
अच्छी
क्या
फिल्म-
करूँ.
कल होना हो है.
मुझे अभी याद नहीं आ रहा. ऐसे हमेशा याद आता है.
तमाशा is there. You know, मुझे तो बिछड़न वाली लव स्टोरी बड़ी पसंद है.
मैं फिल्म बता सकती हूँ. मुझे
सिलसिला-
लज्जा बहुत पसंद है. एज अ फिल्म I'm a huge die-hard fan of the film Lajja. So anybody asks me what your favorite film, Lajja comes to me. Exactly.
What is this song?
Hi Chakka Chak. नहीं. This is the.
Very bad.
I know. गोरे गोरे कालों पे है काला काला तिल.
Yeah.
बड़ी मुश्किल वाला बड़ी मुश्किल. So love story.
Tell me the actresses.
मनीषा गुराला, महिमा चौधरी, रेखा, अपनी
माधुरी. सारी दुनिया.
insane. That is my most favorite. That is you can't.
Have you seen सिलसिला? देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए.
मैं तो पैदा नहीं हुई थी तो नहीं देखी.
मैं भी नहीं हुआ था मैम.
तुम्हारे
मैंने भी दोबारा देखी.
हाँ ठीक है.
But you've heard this song ना?
Yeah, of course.
Hmm.
The
You've heard-
real Bollywood people are gonna like bash me for not watching Silsila.
No, even happens with me also. No? I was
Yeah.
never a Bollywood buff. I'm becoming one.
Even I wasn't. I was busy studying and.
Yeah, I was a radio jockey. I used to do morning shows, and morning shows में you have nothing to do with Bollywood. Radio में morning show means we'll talk to SDMs, DCs, and DMs. You तो must be knowing it.
क्या
North
हाँ
India में.
मतलब ठीक है.
So it's like that. तो बॉलीवुड का तो मुझे आता पता कुछ था. जब मेरे को धर दबोचा गया कि भैया अब you have to do Bollywood. Then I was learning. I used to go and watch old films. मैंने फैशन देखी पिछले साल. लुक पिछले साल मैंने फैशन देखी. मर जाना चाहिए मुझे डूब कर.
नहीं जिंदा रहो.
तो इट्स लाइक दैट. बट हैव यू हर्ड बप्पी लहरी गाने? आई लव टॉकिंग अबाउट म्यूजिक फॉर व्हाटएवर
Please
रीजन.
talk.
है ना?
बप्पी लहरी का कौन सा गाना? बहुत सारे सुने हैं मैंने.
ओ ला ला.
तू है मेरी फैंटेसी. I just got the chance to say.
You sing well.
I hope I do.
Ever thought of recording your own song and your own film?
I have actually recorded one song. It's in my phone. It's You're My Sunshine. You're My Sunshine. That was for my cats. I recorded
I
that
didn't
song.
ask who it is for, but ठीक है.
But that's for my cats.
Cats, she's giving me all this. इससे पहले कि मैं और एक पैतरा फेंकूं.
हाँ. ये पापा के फोन में जाके मैं ब्लॉक करूंगी. और उनकी जो देखना है तेरे को ये नहीं देखना.
But have you ever thought of about your shadi? What kind of shadi you want?
I want a very simple shadi. I want to go to Makkah and do my nikah. And I want a shadi where I don't stress people, my dad or my family or my people.
Oh.
I don't want this heavy jewelry and this heavy decor and everything. I don't want to stress my family for a wedding. I want my marriage to be beautiful than my wedding. So.
But you're open to marry other religion apart from your own?
Yeah, I'm open to marry a man. I want to get married whenever I find love. My only criteria
Is to find love.
is to find love. Is to be in true love. is to really love.
Which is not happening for now.
Which will not happen because good things always take time. Crushes, attractions, infatuations are regular. Today you can just
Yeah.
date like this, but I don't want all that shit.
But that is also a fact. You look beautiful. You have wonderful beauty and brain at the same time. People must be approaching you. Then how do you reject? Please guide a lot of girls sitting out there.
I don't think people.
What is your
Men-
way of saying no?
Men have told me
without
that
saying no.
Men have told me that I'm intimidating in nature. So of course I like the attention. I'm a human being. 6 months back or something, I was telling my sisters the amount of attention as a single person you get is uncomparable.
When mingle people that
Yeah.
you get.
And then when you say no very politely, like say no, kya? If you somebody asks you out on a date, I'm a very humble person generally. Like I will say to them, oh, I'm busy tonight, I can't come, blah blah blah. Like, but I will be sweet always. I'm not somebody who will judge you for your feelings. There's kuch nahi. And people don't really do that. They think I'm intimidating. For the longest time, people thought I was dating. So I don't usually get. I get. But I have a way to say, very politely, बहुत प्यार से. Listen, I understand, but it's not happen. It can't happen. I'm not into all of these things right now. I really want to focus on my career. I will wish you the best, girl. I promise maybe I'll find for you. This is what I've lately said to someone, so I'm just repeating. Can we just be brothers and sisters forever?
Hi.
Can we just stay
Friend zone
siblings?
तक ठीक था. You have to brothering and sistering
क्योंकि मैंने
also.
रक्षाबंधन की है. And sometimes I would go and say, okay, if somebody is indirectly directly hitting on, like, you seen Rakshabandhan? Rakshabandhan. Rakhi, be aware.
But you're not a party lover, no? You love to be home.
No way, I love parties.
Ooh.
I love going out and party, but there's a thing I really want my sisters to be there. I am not somebody who would alone go for a party. I want my sister, my friends, my people I love. Then you don't know. Then I'm a different person. What is it?
What is the craziest thing that you've done after a party or in a party? Let me change.
Nothing. What
किसी के
crazy?
ऊपर ऐसे पानी फेंक रहा है, अल्कोहल मार दिया.
ना अल्कोहल तो मैं छूती भी नहीं हूँ.
You go for dance only?
I only dance. I love dance.
You can dance in home also.
No. I love people. I'm a social butterfly. I love too many people around me. I love meeting new people. And then I would dance and I would sing and I'm chillam choti, shor machana.
Chillam choti.
हाँ, शोर मचाओ, चिल्लाओ, गाने, like fun, just fun. Getting dressed up entirely the way I want, doing my whole makeup.
Do you go for long drives and all?
I love long drives. Yeah, of course.
Where did you go to long drive last time?
ना what Carter Road से आगे सीलिंग पकड़ के आगे चले गए मरीन लाइंस तक और हाजी अली से वापस टर्न.
That is the basics for Mumbaikars, I guess, for a long
what do you
drive. And then that ghatiya chai.
I
they
am
serve.
someone in the night. If you're up for it, if you go out, for example, you will tell me in the middle of the night, Sadia, let's go to Lonavala. It's morning. I will go. You will tell me, Sadia, let's go to Goa. I will go. See, Faisal is sitting right here. So many years back, when I was maybe low about something, I was just sitting and it was Faisal and I only who were. Now that my father knows, I can repeat the story. He doesn't know, but I'll still tell. We were just sitting at home. I was like, चल आगे तक होके आते हैं. He's like, कहाँ? मैं बोला, I want to just go and breathe. I was feeling low about something और वो गाड़ी में बैठ गए. बस बैठ गए. एक काम करते हैं, लोनावला. साथी दी क्या हो गया इस वक्त कौन लोनावला जाएगा? You know what? छोड़ लोनावला. Called flights बहुत expensive थी. Called train वाला. Booked the train tickets. Reached Goa. My parents are calling me, क्या हुआ किधर है? Within the morning I was in Goa. Then the rest is history. I made some amazing friends. Till now they are my bestest friends, closest friends. So yeah. Then stay there for two nights, 3 days. Came back.
You were fine.
I was fine, and it was my first trip, first time to Goa, first trip to Goa, first time
It was
alone.
just after the breakup that happened.
Yeah.
ऐसे नहीं मैंने बाल
घुंघरा
कर्ल
किए
किए हैं.
No, not really.
निकालो 50,000 रुपए.
नहीं भाई, ब्रेकअप नहीं था, बस मूड ऑफ था.
ब्रेकअप नहीं हुआ था. ब्रेकअप के बाद
वैसे ब्रेकअप हुआ था क्या? कुछ भी नहीं हुआ था, रैंडमली सैड थी. हाँ, सैड थी, बस इतना याद है. बट क्या खुश होके वापस आई हूँ. There is no room in my life currently for sadness.
चाय वाय बना लेती हैं आप?
चाय कॉफ़ी सब बना लेती हूँ, डिपेंड करता है किसके लिए बनानी है।
फैंस इतना पसंद कर रहे हैं क्योंकि आपको आई बिन चेकिंग आउट, मैंने देखा पुराने इंटरव्यूज़ पे जाकर द कमेंट्स एंड दे बीन प्रेजिंग योर ब्यूटी ऑफ कोर्स। 3 टिप्स ऑफ योर स्किन केयर रूटीन एंड देन वी आर एंडिंग इट ऑफ।
स्किन केयर ब्यूटी के
Yeah.
टिप्स तो सो फार जेनेटिकली चल रहा है, बट एक
सॉरी
चीज़
रॉन्ग
करो-
पर्सन, शी इज फ्रॉम जम्मू कश्मीर,
नहीं
यहाँ
नहीं,
पे
बट आई स्टिल
एप्लीकेबल नहीं होता है।
आई स्टिल गिव
ठीक है।
पता है क्या, हाइड्रेशन ऑल दीस गाइस से, बट अवॉइड करो मेकअप।
Who these guys?
एवरीवन,
From Bollywood.
not just Bollywood, random, everybody is like, my beauty is my water. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. You have to really work on it. You have to really take care of it. You have to really do certain things. I'm not even kidding you. 2 months back, my skin was dead. I was myself feeling dead. And I was like, okay, in 2 months I have my film release, what am I going to do? And then I started really taking care of it. Like I was not even wearing sunscreen. I was not even putting moisturizer.
So what did you take care of?
Then I started my skincare routine. Then I'll start. So day one, I went for a detan. I went for a hydra facial. Then I started. Then my doctor, that this is in Jammu, she gave me a regimen complete. She gave us moisturizer करो, sunscreen करो, कुछ भी हो जाए, अभी क़यामत भी आए, moisturizer sunscreen लगाओ. और मेकअप मैंने छोड़ दिया. मैंने tinted sunscreen. I'll show you that tinted sunscreen. You start using it because we have to go for interview and stuff. So today I put concealer. But ऐसे usually otherwise if makeup artist will, they will put whatever. But if it's in my control, like if it's not something right now I'm facing, I would prefer only moisturizer and tinted sunscreen and the tint on your lip and cheek. General, कोई भी tint आता है, you're good to go. Keep your skin as bare as possible. Let it breathe.